Chuck. How's everybody doing today? Let me know when you jump in, where you're coming in from. Say hi. Like and follow the business page if you are new. And let me know that you are new. How's everybody doing? I'm just gonna figure this out. Hey Michelle, how are you? Alright, it's not that bad. I'm doing a little bit of a new, different setup. It's actually lower, but it might actually work. So we do have Be Merry on the back. And then I'm going to do the I Know My Redeemer Liveth on this side, because this is a double surface. We have lots of double surfaces in the website. If you go to Telly's Talkin' Chalk on Facebook, which is where this video is from, you can check out the website and see what stuff is coming back as of 5 o'clock. We have stuff coming back in stock. We also have stuff that's leaving, so check out the last chance section. I'm just going to put this in here. The nice thing is this fits in exactly where we need it, so we make sure that there's no bubbles. Well, that's good. Make sure it sticks down nicely. I don't know why it's bubbling there. Oh, because it's off. Alright, so it's going to be picky on me for a second. I know it fits in here nicely because I had it in here with the backing on it. Oh, nice. So it should lay in here nice. It's just a little picky. There we go. So that is our transfer put in there nicely. So I'm going to use black for the top line, and we'll figure out what color we want to use for Liveth on the bottom. It keeps bubbling. Don't know why. Oh, because it's not really sticking, so it's moving around. I don't know why it's not sticking though, because this is the first time I've used it. Oh well. So we have my black paste here. I do have distilled water in case it needs a little bit of water. I will get my squeegees out. Hey everybody. How are y'all doing today? This is my shimmer shadow. I haven't used this yet. This is a different thing than I thought it was. Hey everybody, we're up to 7 already and I've only just begun. I actually forgot that I even had shimmer. I can't even remember when I got it. There we go. Kids, if you're watching this, don't use your teeth. It's not harmful, but Especially with the black, it's not going to look pretty on you. I got black all over my fingers already. I wasn't expecting to have to take this off, because I thought I was just using my normal black, but I'm using shimmer. What is everybody up to today? I know I'm a little later than I had anticipated. I got watching TV and ran out of time. And then I had to set up. Oh, stop bubbling. So I'm just holding it down because it's not wanting to stick nicely, and I don't want to wreck it. Hey Ange, how are ya? So I'm just going all the way in one motion, just to hopefully not make it smudge. But I'm using my black shimmer. Shimmer shadow. That's what it's actually called, but same thing. And then what color should we use for Liveth? How are you, hon? So hopefully that worked out well. I'll put that down right there. And then I'm going to use my multi-tool, or I don't know, whatever one they are calling this. I'm doing well. What have you been up to today? I'm going to just try to dig this up so that I can pull it up so that it doesn't dry in the transfer. And make sure that I got it all. Beautiful. So now we're just going to wait for a minute for it to dry. Oh, I need part of my E I didn't do. Here we go. Yeah, what are you up to? I probably asked you how you were twice, but I'm more meaning how are you and what are you up to? There we go. Here, I'll try and show you this while it's drying. I know it's backwards, I can't flip the screen. So what color should we do the Liveth? Yeah, that's pretty much what I was doing. Because I was off all week, well, Paul was off all week, so I ended up not going live like almost all week. We had a bunch of TV shows that we were watching and stuff, and then I forgot to watch Y&R for the whole week, so I've been catching up on that all day. I'm like an episode and a half behind. Now, if you wanted to, you could always color the wood, the frame, if you wanted it a certain color. Red? Okay. Let me get it. It's behind me today. We've reorganized all my stuff, so now my chalks are behind me. My Toxie and my inks. And then I have all my transfers over in a bag over on by the hutch. So let me just see if I can get to my red. There we go. That was easy. I got a case of the black thumb. That was my wheelchair, I promise. Alright, so now we're just doing this part up. Yep. Just dragging all of this through. A little goes a long way, so try not to get the other word. I tend to go fast when it's little like this, but you can still mess it up, so still have to try to be careful. Hey everybody, I'm Chantel with Tally's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP, Tally's Talkin' Chalk VIP. Very simple. So I've done both of that now. Just went over it nicely. Whoa, okay, that was gonna fall right off. Well, I guess the live reveal just happened. It's a little faster than I was expecting to do it. I know this was a quick live, but I did want to come and see you guys because it's been almost a full week since I came live. It was good. It was good. We got to see family, but we were outside, so we weren't near them. Although you'll see photos that make it look like we were. Because we were outside the window and then they were like standing on the inside of the window. And we were taking photos. It was cute. It was fun. So my mom should be posting those if she hasn't already. So yeah, there's our finished project already. That was a quick one, but I hope you enjoyed seeing how easy it is to make your own creations. You can check out my website for completed projects at tellystalkandchalk.ca. You can check out chalktour.ca/tellystalkandchalk if you are in Canada, or tellystalkandchalk, or chalktour.com/tellystalkandchalk if you are in the US. I am always looking for people that want to join the business. If you would like to, let me know. Normally my crafts take longer. This one just happened to be a short one, and I don't have anything ready for me to do anymore at the present second, because yeah, I just don't. I have more stuff coming in, so that should be in within the next couple weeks. We still have other stuff, I just don't have it ready for us. Yeah, it's good. Sometimes I do 2 crafts because these ones are so short, and if I had one quick by me, I would, but unfortunately, I just don't today. I will be live again tomorrow. I will figure out tonight what I'm going to do tomorrow, and I will post it on my business page, and you guys let me know if you'll join me. It will be it can be 2 or 3. You can let me know what's better for you. And I guess I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.